On Christmas Day 2024, police get details that 23-year-old Jacob is spying on his ex outside her Motel 6 hotel room. But officers soon find out more is not going down without a fight.
Turn around.
No, she's in 107.
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
I don't want no problems.
I don't want no problems either.
I just wanted to keep her. I think she's cheating with somebody.
I'm going to tase you if you don't give me.
No, you don't have to tase me.
So drop what's in your hand.
She's in 107. Hey, stop it. Fucker. I don't want no problems. Stop. You fucking stop. Stop. I don't want no problems. Cheated on me. I think she's cheated on me.
Yeah, get some more cards over here.
Ow, why are you doing that? Hey, I don't want no problems. Stop.
Stop.
Okay, I promise. Okay. Okay, stop. Stop. My arm's gonna break. Stop. I don't want that. Okay, I don't want to resist someone.
Stop resisting.
I don't want to. Stop resisting. Okay, get off me. I need help.
You're under arrest.
Okay, stop. Stop resisting. You're gonna get tasered again. Wait, get your knee off my arm. You're under arrest. Stop resisting. What'd I tell you? Stop. I'm trying to help.
You're not helping. What'd I say?
Okay, I don't want to put. Wait, stop, please. Okay, lift me up. You got me, okay? No, please stop.
He might have a gun or something on him.
No, I don't have anything.
Wait, shut up.
I don't have anything.
I got his legs.
Wait, can you lift me up, please? Okay, lift me up, please. I hurt. Please lift me up.
Stop.
I hurt. Please lift me. Please lift me up, please.
Leave a figure four.
Hold on, lift me up, please.
No.
I hurt. No, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm so sorry. Lift me up, please.
Stop.
I am, because lift me up, please.
Stop. Jacob.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe,
Yes,
dude.
you can. You're talking.
No, you guys are hurting me.
Nope.
I can't
With the
breathe.
police.
I know. Lift me up, please.
Stop resisting, dude. Stop
Can you help me? Because I hurt. Please lift me up. I'm gonna help.
Alright, are you gonna start?
Yes. Because I hurt really bad. No, I promise. Hey, wait. Get him up.
Stop.
Get him up.
Shut up.
Don't move.
I'm trying to help you guys.
Shut up.
Wait, get him up so he's okay. Okay.
Alright, nice and easy.
Yes, please. I know this. Wait, get him up so he's okay. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, no violence.
23-year-old Moore is accused of aggravated domestic battery, 2 counts of aggravated battery on a peace officer, and resisting arrest. Aggravated domestic battery is the upgraded felony version of domestic battery, adding a serious aggravating factor where offensive or harmful touching is involved against a family member or an intimate partner. These are just charges, and Moore is innocent until proven guilty, but in the court of law and in the state of Illinois, prosecutors will use 2 main categories to prove aggravated battery took place. Number 1, serious harm occurred in the form of great bodily harm, use of a deadly weapon, or strangulation. And number 2, the status of the person matters, wherein peace officers, firefighters, EMTs, seniors, children, pregnant women, and persons with disabilities will earn you more time in prison. Many public place aggravated batteries fall under Class 3, which gives you 2 to 5 years in prison with fines of up to $25,000. All subjects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law.